Namaskar Ganitagya learners. Today we will discuss questions from GATE 2025 Environmental Science and Engineering. Let's start. In the first question, we have to find out the value of Laplace transform of f of x equals to cos hyperbolic ax. So here, direct just remember these formulas we are going to apply over here. So the correct answer for cos hyperbolic ax is s by s square minus a square. That is your option C. The next question is for the ordinary differential equation d square y by dx square plus 4y is equals to 0. We have to find the general solution. So here, this differential equation, we can write it as m square plus 4 equals to 0. That is your auxiliary equation. So we can write m square is equals to minus 4, or we can say m is equals to plus minus 2 iota. So we can write it as 0 plus minus 2 iota. For this complex number, the general solution is e raised to power 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. E raised to power 0x is 1. So our final answer is C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. Now check here. The correct option is option A. C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. So option A is the correct one. Let us move to the next question. The question here we have to choose the correct option for these two series P and Q. Now just remember P series. Now what is a P series? If we are having summation 1 by n raised to power P, 1 by n raised to power P. When it will converge when P is greater than 1 and diverge when P is less than and equals to 1. So here if p is equals to 1, so we got the p, that is 1 by n, that is the summation. Now we know that if p is less than or equals to 1, then it will diverge. So this will diverge. So this one is your P, right? Capital P, that is diverge. For Q, that is 1 by n square. So here P is equals to 2, which is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, then it will converge. So option B is the correct option. That is P is divergent series, Q is convergent series using the P test. Just remember this thing. Now, the next question is very important question and very simple question. Just substitute the value of x. Now put x, then log 1. Log 1 is 0, sin 0 is 0. So it will be 0 by 0. That is your indefinite, right? So for that, we are going to apply the L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? That is limit x approaches to 0. Log derivative is 1 by 1 plus x upon 2, sine derivative is cos, right? Cos x. So we can write it as limit x approaches to 0, 1 by 2 cos x into 1 plus x. So put x is equals to 0 now. So 0 cos 0 is 1. Here it is 0. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means we have to round off to two decimal digits. So 1 by 2 can be written as 0.50. That is the correct answer. So next question. Here we have to solve this system of linear equation and we have to find x plus y plus z. Right now, what we are going to apply? We are going to apply the rank method, that is the augmented matrix. Now augmented matrix is 1 minus 2 1 34 2 1 1 1 0 2 1 1 minus 3 17. right? This one is your augmented matrix. Now apply the operation. So we are going to make it upper triangular. We are going to make these three elements 0. So first of all, we are going to apply the operation on r2 minus 2r1, and on r3 minus r1. So first row remain as it is. We are applying the operation on r2 and r3. So second row becomes your 0, 5 minus 1, 34, and third row is 0, 3 minus 4 and 17. Now we are going to make this element 0. So how we are going to apply the operation on R3? That is R3 minus 3 by 5 R2. So second row remain as it is. There is no change. So we are going to apply operation on the third row only. So third row becomes 0, 0. Then minus 17 by 5 and minus 187 by 5. Now this third row means this one is the element of z, right? So just convert it into the equation. So it becomes minus 17 by 5. Z is equals to 187 by 5, but negative. So 5 cancel, negative cancel. So z is equals to 11. Z is equals to 11. Now we are going to apply on the second row, right? So that is your 5y minus z is equals to 34. Now 5y is equals to 34 plus 11, 45. So y is equals to 9. Now first row, this one, it is x minus 2y plus z is equals to 34. So let us solve this one. X minus 2 into 9 minus 18 plus 11 is equals to 34. So the value of x is equals to 41. Now add all this value. 41 plus 9, 50, 50 plus 11, that is 61. So the sum of all these three value is 61. Now the last question, that is the value of 0 to infinity sine 4x by pi x dx. Now just remember this Dirichlet integral, that is 0 to infinity sine ax by x is always pi by 2 for a greater than 0. Now this sine 4x by pi x can be written as 1 by pi 0 to infinity sine 4x by x. Now you can see over here, a doesn't matter, right? Whatever here, a, the value is pi by 2. So the value is 1 by pi into pi by 2. So pi cancel, 1 by 2. So round off value is 0.5. That's it. Just remember the formulas, the concept, then you will get the correct answer. So concept clear, to sub clear, like, share and subscribe to my channel Ganitagya Gyanam. Goodbye and take care.